Ariana Grande.
Yeah.
In the 2010s, I would see her perfectly oversized hoodies that were so cute, stylish, and looked so comfortable to wear. But alas, a 6-foot man like me could never pull those off with the hoodies that were available in stores in the mall, online, even ASOS. The ones that were online were for the height challenged, which is not me, a 6-foot man. So alas, in my adulthood, I finally learned the skills of replicating almost any garment, and I will be creating my perfect oversized boyfriend hoodie. Boyfriend hoodie because it's like the hoodie that your boyfriend gives you. I don't have one. I am the boyfriend for myself. So I'll be recreating an Ariana Grande boyfriend hoodie out of my Naruto material. Let's get started.
Boso.
So last year my dad commissioned me to create him this villain-inspired hoodie, which will be the blueprint for the oversized boyfriend hoodie. Just longer and a few tweaks here and there, including making the hood more encompassing, changing out the zipper for something more elegant, and changing the colors. I wanted it to be the perfect length that looks like I'm not wearing shorts and that I just rolled out of bed. I also wanted to match my white fur boots and hat that I made in a previous video. Also, please subscribe and like this video because it literally pushes me in the algorithm. I've seen it. So for materials, I was set on using a white blanket I stole at my workplace's Christmas party's white elephant game. I saw the blanket and in my eyes, all I saw was free material. You already know where I'm at. We're at Target. Okay, so I literally just lost, it's been a day, but I literally lost the blanket that I won. So I need to get another one. Or maybe like a few. Like I literally can't believe how I lost it literally a day after I got it. Oh, oof, it's expensive. Okay, I really hope there's $5 throw blankets and not only $20 throw blankets. All right, we're getting closer. These are $10. Gosh darn, I shouldn't have lost it. Okay, I don't know if these are worth $20. I don't know. I kind of want this. Or maybe I'll get this one instead of the other two. Oh my God, this is so cute. Oh my God, so cute. I want these things, but then I'll get them and put them in my room and never think about them ever again. And that's a waste of money, right?
People can do hard things.
Cute. Oh, it comes in a pack of 4. It's giving expensive, Henny. 4-pack. Who was the first? Was it Evie? Someone stole Evie. I fear for my wallet. Really, really want the Gengar, but I have credit card bills to pay. Whenever I see something that I want so bad that I can, I just tell myself that like getting this would feel good, but the taste of financial freedom would feel so much better. Roar break. This is the blanket I got when I was maybe 13. It served me well, but I think it's gonna be a way cooler boyfriend hoodie. I just don't know who to put on the center. Naruto or Kakashi? Kakashi like was the worst Hokage, so I guess I'll put Naruto. And I got the, let me see how big it is. Okay, this is definitely enough fabric. Wow, this is actually so nice. Okay, this is the pattern, aka the blueprint on how to construct the pieces. I made this last year. The back bodice. Oh, the sleeve is big, girl. One of the sleeves, you can see this is the front portion of the sleeve and the back portion of the sleeve. The hood, you can kind of see it's a hood. One of the cuffs is just a rectangle, and then this must be the front bodice, like that. Comment down below if you want me to upload the pattern online so that you can like print it and use this same one yourself. I've been thinking about getting into that. So that was the pattern. I'm so addicted to Fortnite right now. Okay, before I cut out the pieces, because I already have the pattern and it looks pretty good, I just want to see if I want to make any edits to the original design. So let's go get the original hoodie. Where's Roar? Why do you keep leaving me, Roar? You're a bad dog, Roar. You're very bad. He wants to go outside again. You just want outside. All right, here it is. Let me back this shit up. The hood, I want to make it even more insidious. Like, it's already a pretty oversized hood, but I want to make it more, please. I want to make it 2 inches longer. Like, I'm still gonna wear shorts, but I want it to give like I'm not wearing shorts illusion. I just like this because like oversized, comfy, mysterious, warm. So for the centerpiece of this hoodie, I'm using my beloved Naruto blanket and making sure that the main artwork is on the back and the center. This is gonna be the back panel. I'm cutting both sides of the hood on Kakashi and Itachi's face because some would say they're iconic. They're like mid to me though. Okay, I still have barely any scraps left, but I do want to use this Jiraiya, so I'm gonna make a pocket, a hoodie pocket for the Jiraiya, but I'll get back to that. Now from the white blanket, I'm cutting both of the sleeves as well as the center front bodice. And for the wrist cuffs, I'm using this leftover super stretchy 4-way stretch knit fabric just to make rectangular wrist cuffs. And now it's finally time to get into the sewing.
Hello, Dogs and Raw. Hello.
I got a little industrial serger on Facebook Marketplace for $200. It works. Now I just need to figure out how to thread it, and I can use the serger to serge all of my projects, and this one won't break like the last one that I broke after 2 months. Okay, I tried to follow some YouTube videos on how to thread this machine. It's 5 thread max. You can use 3 threads or 4 threads or 5. But the videos were saying that it's really hard to thread this machine, and it was really hard, much harder than every sewing machine and serger I've ever used before. The angles that you'd have to get the thread into were impossible, and some of them were like inside of the in crevices that, like, how would I get to those? Like, it really took a lot. I literally was having my flashlight in one hand on my phone and like the thread in the other hand. It literally was a maximum difficulty effort. I did follow some YouTube guides, and then I found this schematic of how to serge it, and look at how it just looks complicated, and it really was. Like, things in, like, how would you put that inside there? You know, don't answer that question. So after about half an hour of trying to thread it correctly, I think I got it, and then that needle broke. The needle broke. I was literally like, oh my God. I needed to take a break and get some last minute Christmas presents because it was Christmas Eve. My mom loves these Dr. Jart like cooling face masks. They're kind of expensive. They're like $16 each, but I love them too. I got them from an ex like for free before because like he had the connect, but I had to buy all of them. And for my dad, I got this really cool Master Roshi Dragon Ball Z figurine. He likes that kind of like nerdy stuff, and Master Roshi's his favorite. He kind of is Master Roshi coded. This was also like $50, but it kind of was worth it because it's very special. And I had to make a stop. I really want some elotes, which is like corn with butter, with lime, and like a spicy Valentina sauce, and a bunch of and it looked amazing. Like, it tasted alright. I think I needed more Valentina sauce, but it looked so good. It's the next day. I swapped the broken needles around. I had 2. Looked at some YouTube videos, and it's working! When I tell you that they were correct, that this machine is hard to thread, like, the angles are impossible. I fear that I may have destroyed my like favorite tweezer for my eyebrows, which are not. Don't look at them. Don't look. Look away. Look at him.
Oh, hell.
With this working now, I have no excuse but to sew the outfit to finish it. And first up was sewing the 2 hoodie pieces together, followed by sewing the hoodie lining pieces together. The inner lining, the top, can't even see. The hood is the only part I lined because I got lazy, and it was warm enough without lining. It's gonna look something like this. Now I'm sewing all of the bodice pieces together, the back to the front too, and then sewing the sides of each sleeve to each other before sewing on the cuffs. So the cuffs are delightfully simple. It's just 2 rectangles that I layer on top of each other for some more strength, and then I serge all of the sides so that's pretty secure, fold it in half, serge the bottom, then fold it horizontally to make the finished cuff after sewing that. Then we just have to serge the cuffs onto the shoulder sleeves, and I've been using the words serge and sew interchangeably. Serge is just like creating this chain stitch that it won't fray, and it's super strong. That's why I got the serger in the first place. Then we just have to serge the sleeve to the actual bodice. Okay, so here we are without the hood. Here's with the hood. It's so comfortable. Okay, for the hem, I'm getting the bottom trimming binding from the blanket. I'm just gonna cut it off and sew it on to the bottom, so it's like nice and finished. You see. And then I top stitched both that trimming and the hood down so they both lay, like, they all lay a little flatter. Okay, I'm wearing it in public. Instead of a zipper, I decided to get these clasps instead and put 2 of them at the neckline top of the hoodie to make it like a flowy type of open vibe, like a Hokage style. Then I stopped by the gym afterwards to do my stretch and workout session. Of course, I forgot to film the actual weightlifting part, but I'll take you through my stretching portion. So I've been stretching to get my splits, my front splits and my side splits for like, I'm embarrassed to tell you for how long, but I kind of almost have my front splits down. I do each of these stretches for about a minute or a minute and a half each on both legs, just to warm up before like the deep stretches. This one makes me look real sus in the gym. It's the frog pose, but I gotta do it. Then I get to like the real deep stretching front splits on the left and then on the right and then down the middle, and you can tell by my face how uncomfortable the middle one makes me. I also do some back flexibility stretches and I've been trying to get my back bends better. But anyway, I'm at work and there's nobody here, so I'm gonna film what it looks like. Literally as soft as it looks. Final product is done and I'm super happy with the result. Super happy with fixing the serger. There are a few problems here and there, like this freaking, I have to go back and fix this. Alrighty, so another vlog tutorial done. My only question is like, should I add pockets right here? Comment down below, please. Yes pockets, no pockets. Is it sleek and white? Or should there be like the Jiraiya? I have Jiraiya's face. Should I put him as a pocket? I cannot decide because it does look kind of cute, just clean white. Also comment down below how you would alter the hoodie and any DIY projects that you may want to see me recreate or do. Also, I have this boots tutorial, how to make these boots. I should link it down below. Next week, I'm also gonna have another DIY vlog tutorial. My next video will be an exciting one. I bought 2,000 fake grapes to recreate this AI image of an outfit created out of completely fake grapes. I'm gonna do it in drag. So come be part of this journey with me and subscribe. Also, please subscribe, comment, like this video. It really helps push the algorithm. And until next time.